Ang impact ng enhanced caregiver na bubuksan ngayong 2025 para sa mga Canadian families and for caregivers, mga foreign na papasok dito sa Canada. So una, ang Canadian, ang impact nito sa Canadians is, 'di ba, they have kanang requirements and qualifications na ito dapat ang makukuha. So they're very selective, no. So in terms of the requirements aning enhanced caregiver program. So this pilot, meaning ang access ng Canadian families, makakakuha sila ng stable and professional caregiving workforce. So makakakuha sila ng, yung select talaga ba sila mismo based on the qualifications of the caregivers and their experience and then to perform the job. So makakakuha sila ng mga professionally talaga. Okay, base sa education, base sa experience, base sa yun. So it's because of the standard of the qualification na kinakailangan ng government na ipasa to para ma-hire ng isang employer. So from a Canadian families na foreign also, foreign na nandito sa Canada na able to hire foreign workers outside Canada. So ang impact naman nito sa mga caregivers are kasi 'di ba, there's PR on arrival and ang tawag nito security. It represents siya na meron siyang straightforward pathway for PR, and then security sa pamilya, sa job, sa trabaho niya when pagdating ng Canada. So hindi klaro ang pagdating niya dito sa Canada, hindi yung baka ganito ganyan, wala. Klaro na may PR ka, klaro pagdating mo dito may trabaho ka, and also opportunity to integrate sa community ng Canada kung saan ka man na province or city na titira or kasama ang, if it's live in or live out or saan ka man community darating. So and also ang initiative po nito is to not only aid the family reunification for caregivers, but also makasupport po ta sa Canadian economy. It's because we're paying with our applications to the government. Natay contributions part sa ilang growth sa ilang economy. So yun yung impact natin as a caregiver, at yung impact ng employers to hire us, Canadian employers to hire us as foreign. So yun, balance lang tayo pa sa kanila. So Canada will improve, and then syempre makakontribute our skills as a skilled worker from a foreign national. So maka-integrate po ta sa growth sa ilahang community diri sa Canada when you land Canada and work with the family. Have chosen you na para magtrabaho sa bahay nila or sa mag-alaga ng elderly at sa mga bata. So yun yung impact niya for Canadian families and for the caregivers. So yun po. Thank you.